Hello students, welcome to the physics class. Our today's topic is electromagnet. So students, what are the electromagnet? Basically, these are the solenoid. But if we insert a soft iron core inside the solenoid, then it is said to be a electromagnet. So basically we can call a solenoid as a electromagnet, but if a core of soft iron is inserted inside the solenoid, then we can call the solenoid as the electromagnet. So electromagnet is basically the solenoid in which soft iron core is placed inside the solenoid coil. As shown in the diagram, you can see here, if we see the diagram, this diagram, you can see here a iron nail and copper wire which is insulated from the iron nail is wound over the iron nail. So here the wounded copper wire is connected to the battery here and a switch. When the switch is on, then current start flowing and this becomes the electromagnet. Now here, when we flow the current through the copper wire, then magnetic field is produced inside the coil and outside the coil. This we have studied in the solenoid topic, that when we flow current through a solenoid, magnetic field set up around it. But this magnetic field is not much stronger. How we can make this stronger? This can be done by inserting soft iron core inside the solenoid. As we have done here, we have placed an iron nail inside the coil. So what will happen with this? This will increase the strength of the magnetic field, which was earlier have smaller value, we can say weak field, that becomes the strong field now by inserting the iron nail, because here the iron nail will work as the magnet. So in this way we can increase the magnetic field, or we can say magnetic field strength of a solenoid. This setup is called electromagnet.